This is the Burstner Lyseo TD 710G motorhome. This is a caravan salon in Dusseldorf. It's the 2nd of September 2017. I apologise for the background noise. There's nothing I can do about that because they won't let us in except at times when there's a stack of background noise to film. So don't blame me. If you've got any complaints, write to Messe Dusseldorf. 68,730. It's 710 times 230 centimetres. 7-metre van, which is a 710-metre van. It's got a garage there, which will do for your bikes, and it will sleep 4 people. Open the thing up and look at the amount of space in there. That's pretty good. Although you can actually get a similar amount of space in a van, which is about 20 centimetres small. You can see that. It's a 690, and you can see that in the film. You've got doors at both sides. You have got this enormous thing here for keeping your 2 gas canisters. Well, I've spoken about that before. I say get refillable, use that for something else. Now, a friend of mine said though, he also does reviews, Andy Harris, he said, yeah, but what you're going to use that for is not for keeping your gas in. Good point, so maybe you don't have to find an underfloor solution. Water and electricity. I have my doubts about keeping the electricity in that position because I don't like to expose the water to the elements when the temperature is low. Of course, I do appreciate that the water has insulation. Let's go inside and have a look. Well, it has at the back my favourite layout, and it has a good way of getting into the bed. Bear in mind, of course, you get a bed like this, you're going to disturb the person you're with when you get up. Let's have a look down here. You've got the shelves under the bed. You've got here this opens up and more storage and something down there. What is all this space for? Now that is a bit odd. You've got a gap down there. I can't quite work out why it should be there, unless of course it is to close this door which comes across, as a door comes across here, so you get a bit quiet, and as I'll show you down there, there you go, goes across like that. Here we've got hanging space, huge amount, but I'm stuck on this one here. I could stick a couple of plants down there. Don't know what that is, why that's there. If anybody's got any ideas, let me know. Door opens like this to reveal the very large shower, but it's also profiled as well for whatever goes behind the back there, which I don't know. And there's the toilet. Plenty of space there, and there's me in the mirror. Kitchen. That is very nicely finished. Open the drawers. Nice forks and spoons. You've got you pull the handle out, in I should say, and then these come out. Deepish sink, plug hole, domestic, 3 burners, more drawers here, and you've got a bed up here over the living area, the lounge. First of all, I'd like to point out the size of that enormous table, and it will even get bigger, it'll get 1/3 bigger, so whoever's sitting there has plenty of capacity to stick their cup and saucer and the plate of chips or whatever it is they're eating down there. The seats, maybe I would have preferred it if the seat had gone under there a little bit further, but nonetheless, you can probably just about, when you're sitting here, if you're tall enough, reach that chair there and stick your feet up. But if you want to stick your feet up, you can always sit down here in the passenger chair. I'm standing now under the bed, and I can't quite show you, I'm standing in the bed, there isn't a mirror. There isn't a suitable mirror. You see there's the mirror here, but you can't see me standing under the bed. There is above my head, I would say about 182 centimetres of clearance. That means that when I sit down here, look, I can get my feet on the chair there, or I'm not going to do it. On my dirty shoes on the nice clean chair, but you can easily get your feet up Also, if you sit here, you can get your feet up on that chair as well. There you go. See? Bang, plenty of room. So, the bed doesn't get in your way. It's got lighting under it. So it's, I would say that was more of a single bed actually rather than a double one. It's profiled as well. So it's an unusual shape. Now I like this van. I think of all the vans that Burstner's got, I think I'd go for this one. If they said you can have any van you want, and then you can use it. This would be, I think, the one for me. It's got a double floor, which means it should have below here a extra bit of storage. You might like the carpets. I know lots of people don't. I'd probably leave them in actually. But I can suspect though they'll get dirty rather quickly. That's the advantage of this seat here, you see, and the underfloor storage. You can stick your shoes under there, and you can take your sit down here and take them off. Oh, and I like a bit of underfloor, or double floor I should say, because it keeps you warmer. Yeah, this certainly suits me. The chair is really nicely profiled. Look back, admire the van, and while sitting here, that gives me a chance to think about what this could be. Now I'm going to find out what this is, why there's this space here, but I'm not going to find out before the end of this video. So what you're going to have to do is to see my site, which is www.motorhomefulltime.com, and you'll get the answer there, I hope.